Hi guys, welcome to video 3. And today we'll get into a bit of the nitty-gritty of cooking and the success process. So first let's talk about cooking. So in the first and second videos, we saw that we decided what we wanted to cook. We worked out what the ingredients were going to be. Now we need to get into a bit of specifics, like perhaps quantities. What measures are we talking about? How many potatoes? How many teaspoons of sugar or salt? And things like that. So we're diving a little bit more into specifics. Similarly, in the recipe for success, having figured out what our definition of success is and what are the attributes or traits required to make our success journey possible and easier, we now need to get a little bit more specific. We need to start setting goals. Because it's one thing knowing the end outcome, but it's also important to set milestone goals. So now we get into the whole goal setting process, which is a huge big topic in itself. And if you guys are interested, we can do a separate series on goal setting. But essentially, to just, in a nutshell, to talk about goal setting, your goals have got to be really specific, and they've got to be realistic, and there's got to be some sort of a time span attached to it, so that in 3 months' time I need to have achieved this, in 6 months this, and so on. And therefore you have markers that you set for yourself. And then you also look at what's my current situation, what's my reality at the moment, and where do I want to go? And what are my options for getting from where I am to where I want to be? And then you pick, what's the best possible option. So once again, friends, this is now time to get more specific, more into detail, and dive deep. That's for this video, and do leave your comments. We'll meet again in the next one. Till then, take care